Hello everyone and welcome to part 3 of journaling for beginners. In first part I talked about different types of journal myths, why you want to do. In part second I also shared the problems, how you can be consistent in the journaling practice, and in this part I will tell you a type of journal, that is brainstorming. So we'll go deep dive in brainstorming. First heading, the first is what is brain dump journaling. So let's figure it out. Unloading all thoughts, ideas, emotions into paper. Okay, whatever comes in your mind, like it's you have a baggage on your head and you just put it down on the table. It is as simple as that. Whatever thought you have in your mind, just put down into the paper, just jot it down, and it's kind of a just you have to be as clear as what you are writing. Don't overthink. Don't make it that sentence is good or not. Should I write it or not? Don't go into that kind of a perfection mode. Whatever comes in your mind, just pour into the paper. Don't overthink. Don't think again and again to make in a structure format, because brain dump is a no structure format. The third one is help declutter the mind and reduce overwhelm. When you have lots of thoughts, lots of emotions running in your mind, and when you start dumping it onto the paper, you will feel free. You will feel free from overwhelm. You will feel free from all those negative emotions, all those baggages, all those past trauma. So that is why the very effective way the brain dump is whatever comes in your mind, you just jot down. So it is very easy to do because there is no structure. The second one is why it is important. So let's find out why it is important. Reduce stress and anxiety. Every journal helps us to reduce like stress and anxiety, but the brain dump helps in a very effective way because we don't have time to think. Like whatever things comes in your mind, you have to match the speed, and if the thought change, you should change the sentence as well. There is a space now you are creating in your mind so that the thoughts are flowing very easily. The second one is improve focus and mental clarity. Once you write down all your thoughts, for example, you have a project and you have many things in your mind, how you can do this, is the skills that you want, this is the skills that your team wants, this is the timeline, all those thoughts. And once you jot down each and everything, it improves focus, it improves mental clarity. Now everything is on paper and you are able to see that. In your mind you are not able to see, you just have to think and think, overthink. But on paper, when you find out, then you figure out, okay, this is the thing that I have to do first, this is the thing that I have to do in the last, I am not able to do this, I don't have time, this is the thing that I can delegate, or I have to do. All those things that you can do once you have a print on the paper. A third one, help process emotion and organize thoughts. Yes, once you write all those things, then you find out, okay, all those, this is the thoughts that I have in my mind, and it's helped me because I know what works for me, what not. Are these thoughts? And the fourth one is acts as a reset button for the mind. And it is very, very effective. The reason why I'm laughing this because I know. And it's kind of all those things, all those dust clutter. When you journal that, you press the declutter button. So the first thing is morning. Morning is the best time because in the morning we have so many emotions, so many thoughts in the morning itself. And once you start writing, you declutter your mind, all those emotions, all those beliefs, you pen down, you clear your mind, and then you can think in a better way. Then what you have to do 2 days back, whatever things. So then again it clears your mind. The third one is when feeling overwhelmed. Whenever you are feeling overwhelmed in the sense, whenever you are feeling I'm not able to do anything, I am not able to think, why me, all those negative emotions, then you can write and it will help. I write about what I'm feeling, why I'm feeling, what are the thoughts, what the emotions are coming in my mind, how my body is feeling right now, all those things. So after writing, I feel very much lighter. My body, I feel in my mind, I feel in my body that yes, I release all those negative emotions. And the fourth one, when you have to write before a big task. Why? To boost productivity and focus. to build focus. If you have a project and you know that the project starts from tomorrow, write it today. Journal today. What all the things that you are thinking about the project, what all the things that you require to complete the project, to start a project, the skills, the people, the timeline, all those things you can start writing a day before, so that again you have the mind map that how you can do each and everything, a step-by-step guide for your project. So before you have a new project, I'm suggesting you that you should journal. So now we learn when we should journal, when we should use brain dump journaling. So if you like this video by far, please subscribe my channel richagoyalkatiyar and hit the bell icon, so that every time I upload a new video, either it related to a life coaching or it is related to journaling or some other things, you'll get the notification. I hope you do it. The fourth point is how to do a step-by-step guide. So we have the 5 steps. The first one is set a timer, 3 to 5 minutes, and write without stop. When you set a timer for yourself, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and start writing. Start writing. Don't stop your pen. Don't stop writing until and unless the timer is up. Because once you put a timer for yourself, there's no time to think. Whatever thoughts, emotions come into your mind, you just have to write. Because when you're thinking, you take a pause for yourself and then you change the sentence, then you change the emotion, each and everything. But when you are taking a timer, then you don't have to think and you just have to write. Write everything on your mind, no filter, just look. Writing everything that comes in your mind, no filter, no grammar, no punctuation, no spelling, whatever thoughts of stream like this to this, whatever comes in your mind, and you are just writing. It's like the streams come from this, like this, and it goes from your hand and you are just writing. So that is why you should write without thinking too much. The third one, don't worry about structure. Messy is okay. So don't think that it is looking very ugly, my writing is not good, punctuation it should be here, and don't judge your journal. Your journal will never ever judge you, because the reason why you're journaling is to clear your mind. And if you are thinking that how it is structured, it is not looking great and it is not looking good, it is not looking very nice, then again new thoughts occur. Again you are going into a negative thought zone. So it is not suggested that you should think about structure. Number fourth, review and organize. If you are writing something and it is important, what you can do, you can highlight key thoughts and action points. Like once you start writing and you think that okay, these are the things that I have to do in like today or tomorrow, just mark it, highlight it, or a new idea comes in your mind, just put a circle across it. So whenever you go back to your journal, you know that okay, this is the important thing, this is something different, why I highlight that, why I circle from highlighter using highlighter or a different color, and then you know okay, let me check. But if it is on a single page without changing or without making different, then you don't know ki, okay, on which date I write something good, I write something creative thing, whatever I write, it helps me to build my creativity. There is a suggestion, if you are writing related to your creativity, if you are writing any idea, if you are writing anything, action steps, highlight that portion, make a circle so that you can know okay, this is the important part. The last one is to close with reflection. At the end, ask how do I feel after writing all those things, how I'm feeling right now. So it is better that you will end in a good way, not in a negative way. Whatever you comes in your mind, negative, good, bad, right, wrong, but at the end think why, how I am feeling right now. I am feeling still anxious, still I am feeling I'm in a negative zone, or I am feeling much relaxed, I am feeling calm, I am feeling positive, all those things right at the end. So it will help you to give you a boost to do certain things. The next task. This is a step-by-step timer. Write everything what you are thinking. Don't worry about the structure. Review and organize whatever important part. You can highlight it, circle, and then close with reflection on the good note. 5 tips for effective brain dumping. So the first one is use bullet points if free flowing overwhelming. If you are thinking that I am not able to do a structure para writing, what you can do, you can write in a bullet points. This is a thing. I am feeling low. I have so many tasks to do. I have to go. I have to this, all those bullet points. It's make you easy. And if it is not, you can write in a para, you can write in on a full page. It is up to you how you can do that. Try morning pages. Morning pages are given by Julia Cameron's 3 pages daily. So it is recommended that you should write 3 pages daily. It's up to you. If it is a notebook, you can easily write. If it's a register or a long notebook, you can do 2.5. It's up to you. But try to write 3 pages at least. If not, then at least 1. The reason why is the more you write, the more your mind get clear. The 4th point is use digital tool Notion or Google if you prefer typing. If you are good at typing, not in writing, you can use Notion, Google Docs, you can use Microsoft, whatever it is. But if you compare handwritten and digital, I want to say that the handwritten notes has much power over to digital notes. So handwritten is recommended. If you're not able to do, then you can use the digital notes as well. And the 4th one is combine with deep breathing for better relaxation. What you can do, just take a deep breath before writing anything. In the morning, just sit, take a 2 or 3 deep breath and then start writing. Or you can end with deep breath. Okay, now I am feeling relaxed. After writing all the mess that happens in your mind, after putting that, take a deep breath, and now I am feeling relaxed. I'm good to go, whatever it is. So this is the thing. We learned so many things about brain dump, what it is, why we use, when we use, how to use, and the effective for brain dumping. I hope this video gives you information about brain dump. Like, this is the way to write a journal, and yes, it is very easy because there is no structure. You can write whatever you want. You can write how you want, color, different pens, doodles, art, sketches, whatever it is. It's up to you how you write in a manner, because your journal is only for you, not to showcase to others. If you want, you can, but no need to showcase how this is, because sometimes other person can judge you and then you will get a little bit disappointed. But the motto behind the journaling is you will feel empowered every time you write. So never ever showcase your journal to others. It's for your health. It's a kind of a meditation, and it's a kind of a doctor for you. So see you again. Take care. Bye bye. Have a great day.